I will not only screenshot, I'll have money to buy it. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my appearance, I know this tea is not pressed, but I'm traveling right now. I'm in Bombay on my way back home after this entire whirlwind trip. But hey, I'm excited because this pair I waited for 2 years. They came out in 2020 July and I wanted to get these for my birthday, and I finally got the New Balance Jjjjound 992 2 years later. And man, shout out to the guys at Ox Street for helping me get this pair. You could get $20 off by signing in and creating your account through the link I have in my description. God knows I waited so long for this pair. You have a basic New Balance white box and the branding is done right there in green or in olive, I guess, and there is the Jjjjound branding on both sides. And this one is a made in USA pair. And in terms of sizing, unlike on my earlier pair, which is a 2002R, I went up a half size in UK sizing, but stayed true to my US sizing because a UK 8 is a US 8.5. I got a UK 8.5 with the 2002R, and with the 992, because they run a little big, I went down a half size on my US sizing, but I got a UK 8, which is my true size. If you have any other queries about sizing, make sure to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. You know what? I actually answer them, every comment, regardless of what it says. Let's lift this lid open. Here you have your Ox Street authentication card, and there you have the pair. Story time. Karan, whose place I'm staying at right now in Mumbai, had promised to help me score a pair of these New Balances when they drop. But for some reason we weren't able to get our hands on a pair. But eventually when I did get this pair, it shipped to Singapore and Karan brought us back to me in India. I didn't realize I'm wearing a green tee and doing a green sneaker review, but hey, I'm just getting distracted. Let's get into the details of the 992. Like you can see here, a nice olive suede upper, and generally the made in USA pairs, like you can see right here, have really good quality suede. And this one right here is your Ox Street verified tag. Look at this suede. Whew. Nice thick suede. You have your mesh panel right there with overlays of this black suede and this toe box green suede. Right here, this N for New Balance, of course. I think this is reflective, much like this panel right here on the toe box and these panels right here on the side which says USA. The Jjjjound branding you'll see on the heel right here, and then you have this translucent kind of a TPU cage for the heel cup which says New Balance on it. When it comes to your midsole, the forefoot is done in white, but you have this milky capsule right here that says Absorb SBS, and the heel and the midfoot is this off-white sail kind of a midsole, and again you have your Absorb gel right here. Going over to the outsole, done primarily in black except for these sail hits right here. This one of course has the 992 and the New Balance text done right here. Endurance for the tech that they use for comfort. Like you know, with the 2002R, I really beat them up to the last leg of my trip. I didn't pack them for this trip because I was like, let me give them a break. The sock liner is done in this nice black soft material. I don't know what this is. It feels like a towel, but a very soft towel. Your tongue's done in mesh. Here the New Balance branding done there in embroidery and the 992. Whereas the Jjjjound branding is on the insole right there, done in white on a black insole. That's about it for this pair. Oh, I forgot the lace, of course. Sail flat laces that go well with this midsole right here and this gel area. I really wanted this pair and I finally got it. The Jjjjound New Balance 992 came actually in two colors. One was the olive and the other one was like a brownish gray, I guess. But ever since I saw this one, I decided I will not only screenshot, I'll have money to buy. With that being said, I'm going to slip them on feet to show you what they look like. But hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So there we have it, the Jjjjound New Balance 992. Stay safe and peace.